Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where fuses relays for the RF hub, also known as the keyless entry fuse and relay on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. By the way guys, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the RF hub module, also known as the keyless entry guys, fuse and relays. Let's explain where you can find them. Now, by the way guys, you have hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video people told us saved them a lot of trouble. Lucky for us, we need to open the hood today and work in a fuse box that most people know about, or even if they don't, it's easy to get to, and it's right behind the car battery. See, that's your fuse box right here. Press the tabs together, leave that cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always guys test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For the RF hub keyless entry guys, we need to check one fuse. Now we'll talk about relays as well, but if you come in this row of fuses here, you need to check fuse number 56, which is that fuse guys right here, which is known as micro 3 blade fuse. That's the one that you need to check. Also you may need to check, those are ignition switch. Also they may control the keyless entry. We're talking about relay 9, then you need to check relay 11 after that, and you need to check relay 12 and 13. Those are the main components that you will need to check if you have problems with the keyless entry and you're trying to locate fuses relays on Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3 blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.